Hello everyone, I'm Monisha. Today I'm going to tell you about the most important and valuable topic, that is the Surya Namaskar. Why valuable? Because we usually hear everyone saying health is wealth. So to keep that real wealth in check, we need to do two things carefully and diligently. What is that? The first one is good food and the second is exercise. Good food is nothing but what we prepare in our house and completely avoiding all the junk foods like chips, fried foods, outside food, everything. Coming to exercise, if I say exercise, please don't keep on thinking to join gym. No. I will tell you an effective technique which makes you stay healthy and young. It is a real treasure for human beings. And I will tell you the benefits, the 12 asanas which makes the complete Surya Namaskar and the brief history of it. Moving to the brief history of Surya Namaskar. The name Surya Namaskar is from the Sanskrit word Surya means sun and Namaskar means greeting or salute. The origin of Surya Namaskar is from Indian tradition which connects to 17th century saint Samarth Ramdas, without defining what movements were involved. In 1920, Bhavan Rao Srinivas Rao Pant Pratinidhi, the Raja of Aundh, popularized and named the practice and describing it in his 1928 book The 10-Point Way of Health, Surya Namaskar. And it was already in the Marathi tradition. Marathas used to train their soldiers daily with Surya Namaskar. And also in Yuddha Kanda of Ramayana, there is a depiction of Surya Namaskar. First of all, Surya Namaskar is not a physical exercise. It is something much more profound, which needs deep understanding of Sanskrit, Vedic literature and Sanatana Dharma. It is a complete sadhana, inclusive of yogasana, exercise, mantra, sound longitudinal waves, pranayama, breathing, and chakra meditation, scalar energy vortex transceiver. Surya Namaskar was devised as yoga 7000 years ago to facilitate lymph drainage in an amazing manner. This was properly understood by modern science only 70 years ago. Our lymphatic system has vessels just like our circulatory system, but does not have a pump, whereas the circulatory system has the heart. In order to clear the lymph, the clear extracellular fluid that is collected by the lymphatic vessels and filtered by the lymph nodes, the lymphatic system must be pumped manually. The lymph movement rely on contraction of smooth muscle tissue lining the walls of lymph muscles. Peristalsis, that is called. Movement of skeletal muscles is also important for driving lymph along the system's network of vessels to lymph nodes and from these to lymph ducts where the lymph tissue joins cardiovascular circulation. Women who do Surya Namaskar do not get breast cancer. Surya Namaskar resonates the pineal gland and DNA to speed up your chakras and enlarge your aura. These are the mantras for 12 postures of Surya Namaskar. The mantras as follows. Om Maitreya Namaha, the friend of all. Om Ravaye Namaha, praised by all. Om Suryaya Namaha, the guide of all. Om Bhanave Namaha, the bestower of beauty. Om Khagaya Namaha, stimulator of senses. Om Pushne Namaha, the nourisher of all. Om Hiranya Garbhaya Namaha, the creator. Om Mariche Namaha, destroyer of disease. Om Adityaya Namaha, the inspirer. Om Savitre Namaha, the purifier. Om Arkaya Namaha, the radiant. Om Bhaskaraya Namaha, the illuminator. These are the 12 mantras for all the 12 postures of Surya Namaskaram. So these are the postures from 1 to 12 which repeats in 6 steps each. Now I will tell you what are the asanas in all the postures of Surya Namaskaram. First posture is Namaskar-asana. Second, Parvatasana. Third posture, Namaskara Hastapadasana. Fourth posture, Ekapada Prasaranasana. Fifth posture, Buddharasana. Sixth posture, Ashtanga Pranipatasana. Seventh position, Bhujangasana. Eighth posture, Bhudarasana. Ninth posture, again Ekapada Prasaranasana. 10th posture, Namaskara Hastapadasana. 11th posture, Parvatasana. And 12th posture, Namaskarasana. The 12 positions comes to and fro and makes the entire Surya Namaskaram. If it is done 12 times, 12 postures, 12 times daily, then it will really make a magic to the human beings. Let me tell you all the benefits of the 12 postures. Pose 1 and 12 are same, the first posture and the 12th posture. Promotes balance, stimulates the respiratory system, exercises shoulder, back and neck muscles. Pose 2 and 11 promotes balance, promotes digestion, exercise arms and shoulder muscles, tones the spine, promotes flexibility in back and hip. Pose 3 and 10 promotes blood circulation, tones abdominal tracts, stretches back and leg muscles, stimulates spinal nerves, stimulates lymphatic system. Pose 4 and 9 exercises spine, strengthens hand and wrist muscles. Pose 5 and 8 stimulates blood circulation, strengthens the heart, strengthens wrist and arm muscles, relieves neck and shoulder tension. Pose 6 strengthens leg and arm muscle, increases flexibility in the neck and shoulders, stretches arms, shoulders, neck and back muscles, exercises back muscles, releases tension in the neck and shoulder. Pose 7 stimulates circulation to abdominal organs, tones digestive tract, stretches upper and lower body, promotes flexibility in the back, stimulates nerves in spine. Pose 8 and 12 are essentially repetitions of pose 5 through 1 respectively. The health benefits of each are similar to their corresponding poses. Sun salutation or Surya Namaskara usually practiced at sunrise facing the rising sun. This exercise activates the endocrine system and the chakras, the vortexes through which vital life energy or prana is channeled, helping to build strength and flexibility. Let me tell you some more benefits and the most important benefits of Surya Namaskara. First, it helps lose weight. It gives you a glowing skin. It gives a better digestive system, ensures regular menstrual cycle, brings down blood sugar level, improves anxiety, helps your body detox, and battles insomnia. There are various important benefits of Surya Namaskar. Kindly do it daily. First do it one time and then extend it to 12 times daily. Morning will be the best time to do in empty stomach. Thanks for watching my video. Don't let this information erase from your mind. If you can't do all the exercise or asanas, which is more than 300 postures in Yogasana, kindly do this Surya Namaskar daily, which helps you to rejuvenate all your cells for total well-being and be young, be strong. Thank you.